Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, almost insignificant, but as it rolls, it gathers more snow, growing larger and gaining momentum. This is the magic of compounding small, consistent actions accumulating over time to create remarkable results. In the world of finance, compounding is like that snowball. It's the principle of earning interest on your interest, leading to exponential growth. Every dollar you save has the potential to earn more dollars, and those earnings can earn even more. Think about it. A small, consistent investment made early on can have a dramatic impact on your financial future. It's not about sudden windfalls or risky schemes. It's about the steady, powerful force of compounding working its magic over time. This video will guide you through the ins and outs of compounding, demystifying its power and showing you how to harness it for your own financial well-being. Get ready to unlock the magic of compounding and pave your path to financial freedom. Compounding is simple. You earn money on your initial investment and then on those earnings. Invest $1,000 at a 10% annual return. After the first year, you earn $100, totaling $1,100. In year 2, you earn interest on $1,100. Earnings increase each year, even with the same initial investment. Your money multiplies, working for you 24/7. This snowball effect makes compounding powerful over time. Understanding the time value of money is crucial to grasping the true power of compounding. A dollar today is worth more than a dollar tomorrow. Money has the potential to earn interest and grow over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Even small amounts invested consistently can lead to substantial wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to work its magic. Want a quick and easy way to estimate how long it takes for your money to double with compounding? Enter the rule of 72. This simple rule of thumb helps you calculate the approximate time it takes for your investment to double, given a specific interest rate. Here's how it works. Divide 72 by the annual interest rate. The resulting number is the approximate number of years it will take for your investment to double. For example, if you invest at a 6% annual return, it would take approximately 12 years for your money to double. 72 divided 6 equals 12. While not perfectly precise, the rule of 72 provides a helpful estimate for understanding the potential growth of your investments. It emphasizes the power of compounding, showing how even seemingly small differences in interest rates can significantly impact your long-term returns. Keep in mind that this rule is just an estimation and doesn't account for factors like taxes or fees. However, it serves as a valuable tool for quickly grasping the potential of compounding and making informed investment decisions. Real-life magic stories of compounding success. The power of compounding is not just theoretical, it's evident in countless real-life stories of individuals who have achieved financial success through its magic. Take, for instance, the legendary investor Warren Buffett. Buffett's immense wealth is largely attributed to his long-term investment approach and his ability to harness the power of compounding. By starting early, remaining invested for decades, and reinvesting his earnings, he's amassed a fortune that exemplifies the magic of compounding over time. Another inspiring example is that of ordinary individuals who consistently invest small amounts over long periods. Consider someone who diligently invests $50 a week in a retirement account. Assuming a 7% annual return, their investment could grow to over $1 million by retirement age. These stories highlight the fact that compounding is not reserved for Wall Street moguls or financial experts. It's a powerful tool available to anyone willing to start early, invest consistently, and let time work its magic. No matter your income level, you can harness the power of compounding to build a secure financial future. The power of patience, letting time work its magic. One of the most crucial ingredients in the compounding recipe is patience. Compounding is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a long-term game that rewards those who are willing to stay the course and let their investments grow steadily over time. It's natural to get caught up in the allure of quick profits and short-term market fluctuations. However, remember that compounding thrives on time. The longer you remain invested, the more opportunity your money has to generate returns, and those returns to generate even more returns. Think of compounding as a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs in the market, but it's crucial to stay focused on your long-term goals and resist the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market noise. Patience is key to riding out market volatility and allowing the magic of compounding to unfold. Remember, time is your greatest ally in the quest for financial freedom. Starting small, dreaming big, it's never too early. You might be thinking, compounding sounds great, but I don't have a lot of money to invest right now. The good news is, you don't need a fortune to get started. Even small contributions made consistently over time can have a significant impact thanks to the magic of compounding. The most important step is to simply begin. Start by setting aside a small amount of money each month, even if it's just $20 or $50. The key is to make saving a habit and gradually increase your contributions as your income grows. Remember, the earlier you start, the better. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to compounding. Even if you're young or just starting your career, don't underestimate the impact of starting early, no matter how small the initial investment. Think of it this way: the small amounts you save today are the seeds of your future financial security. Plant those seeds early and watch them grow into a bountiful harvest thanks to the power of compounding. Consistency is key, the habit of financial success. While starting early is crucial, consistency is equally important in maximizing the benefits of compounding. It's not about making a single large investment, it's about developing a habit of regular contributions no matter how small. Think of it like building a muscle. Just like lifting weights consistently leads to strength gains, consistently investing even small amounts leads to significant financial growth over time. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account each month. This set it and forget it approach ensures that you're consistently investing, even when life gets busy. Remember, consistency is not about perfection. There may be times when you need to adjust your contributions or pause them altogether. The key is to get back on track as soon as possible and maintain the habit of regular investing. Overcoming challenges, staying the course. The path to financial freedom is rarely linear. There will be challenges along the way, market downturns, unexpected expenses, and temptations to deviate from your plan. However, it's during these challenging times that the principles of compounding become even more critical. When market volatility strikes, it's easy to panic and make rash decisions. However, remember that market fluctuations are a natural part of investing. Instead of reacting emotionally, view downturns as opportunities to buy more of your investments at a discount. Similarly, when unexpected expenses arise, it's tempting to dip into your investments. While this may be necessary in some cases, try to explore other options first, such as reducing discretionary spending or finding ways to boost your income. Remember, the key to overcoming challenges is to stay focused on your long-term goals and remain committed to your investment plan. By staying the course and riding out the ups and downs, you allow the magic of compounding to work its magic and guide you towards financial security. A community of growth empowering each other. Financial literacy and growth are not solitary pursuits. We're all in this together, and by sharing knowledge, experiences, and support, we can empower each other to achieve our financial goals. This video is just the beginning of our journey together. I encourage you to share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Let's spark conversations about money, break down financial barriers, and create a community where everyone feels empowered to take control of their financial well-being. Subscribe to our channel and join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about financial literacy and growth. Together, we can unlock the magic of compounding and create a brighter financial future for ourselves and generations to come. Unlock your financial future. Start compounding today. You've now been introduced to the incredible power of compounding. You've learned how it works, why time is your greatest asset, and how even small, consistent actions can lead to remarkable results. Now, it's time to take action and unlock your financial future. Don't wait for the perfect time to start investing. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. No matter your age, income level, or financial goals, the magic of compounding is available to you. Start small, stay consistent, and let time work its magic. Embrace the power of patience, overcome challenges with resilience, and remember that you're not alone on this journey. Together, we can harness the transformative power of compounding and create a brighter financial future for ourselves and generations to come. So, what are you waiting for? Start your compounding journey today and unlock the door to financial freedom. Enter the link below in the description. Give a like, share, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel so you keep receiving valuable information for your financial journey.